How would you like to take control of your finances in a way that feels modern, intuitive, and genuinely rewarding? Have you heard of Vivid and wondered if it's the right financial tool for you? We've all been there, looking for a banking solution that fits our lifestyle. A solution that's more than just a place to store money. Well, today, we're diving deep into a question many of you have asked: who can actually open a Vivid account? It might surprise you, but the eligibility for a Vivid account is broader than you might think. We'll break down the key requirements, from age to residency, and even touch on the types of accounts available. So, let's get into the details and find out if you can join the Vivid community. First up, the most fundamental question: how old do you need to be? Vivid is designed for adults who are ready to take their financial journey seriously. That means you need to be at least 18 years old to open an account. This is a standard requirement for most financial institutions, and it's in place to ensure you have the legal capacity to enter into financial agreements. Next, let's talk about where you need to live. Vivid is currently available to residents of several European countries. This is crucial. If you're living in one of these countries and have a valid residency status, you're one step closer to opening your account. The list of supported countries is always expanding, so it's a good idea to check the most up-to-date information on their official website. But generally, if you're a resident of a country within the European Economic Area, EEA, there's a good chance you're eligible. Now, what about the documents? Don't worry, it's not a mountain of paperwork. To verify your identity and residency, you'll typically need a valid form of identification, like a passport or national ID card, and proof of address. The process is streamlined and can often be completed digitally through the Vivid app, making it incredibly convenient. No more long queues or endless forms. But what if you're not an EU citizen? As long as you are a legal resident in one of the supported countries and can provide the necessary documentation, you can still open an account. Vivid is all about financial inclusion and making modern banking accessible to as many people as possible. Beyond these basic requirements, there's the question of what type of account you want. Vivid offers different options, from a standard account to premium tiers with additional perks. No matter which one you choose, the core eligibility criteria remain the same. The beauty of Vivid is its flexibility; it can grow with your financial needs. So, to recap, if you are 18 years or older, a legal resident in one of the supported European countries, and have the necessary identification and proof of address, you are very likely eligible to open a Vivid account. It's that simple. Vivid removes the traditional barriers to banking, making it accessible to a new generation of users. Think about it, a single app that combines banking, investments, and cashback rewards. It's more than just a bank account, it's a comprehensive financial toolkit. If you've been looking for a way to manage your money more efficiently, save effortlessly, and even earn rewards while you spend, then Vivid might just be the solution you've been searching for. The eligibility criteria are designed to be straightforward, ensuring that if you meet the basic requirements, you can start your financial journey with them without any hassle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.